Well, get them.
Oh, this is adorable.
Oh, those are cute. Don't lose those ones.
I'm not gonna hand this.
Oh, that's cute.
Where's Mama?
Look at that.
I wonder what this could be.
What is that? What is it? I can't see it. It's a Friends Forever post puzzle. Ooh, that's a big one. We'll have to put that on the kitchen table and leave it there to do, huh?
Oh, something's a Barbie. Oh, I wanted this one.
Oh, cool.
And that one looks like that's a Barbie too. That one is probably.
Yeah.
So it looks the same. Yep, it's a Barbie. Oh!
Yeah, no. This is the one that's good. These ones, this is really good. I like them. Me too. Especially this one. Yeah.
What is that one called? Huh? Brooklyn!
Step on it.
Ooh, let me see that. Oh, wow. Oh, that one in the pink dress is really pretty.
Yep.
Hold them up. Hold them up. Oh, you can take a picture at the same time.